Saba People Cloud. Communicating in Saba People Cloud. Is your inbox overflowing with unread emails and affecting your productivity? Consider communicating to your colleagues in Saba People Cloud. Communicating in Saba People Cloud will help keep your business communication and content organized and easily accessible. You will likely notice that people will respond smarter and shorter. The transparency in communication is great for encouraging more efficient communication and increased participation. Most importantly, you will be networking instead of managing your inbox. Let's have a look at how you can communicate in Saba People Cloud. You can communicate with a colleague by posting on their wall. Wall messages are public and can be viewed by anyone. When you need to communicate privately, use private messages, which is your own private inbox. Private messages are only visible to the message recipients. If you send a private message to a colleague, she can reply to it. If you have a message that needs to go to members of a group, you can send a private message to any group you are a member of. Keep in mind that people cannot reply to a message sent to a group, so only use private messages when making an announcement that doesn't require a response. Another more prominent way to communicate group announcements is by using the announcements portlet in the group homepage. You can use the announcement portlet to post upcoming events and quick links to important content. When you have a question, you can post it directly on your homepage as a discussion within a specific group or the entire network. You can also post tips and tricks and best practices to promote and share knowledge, or just let people know what you are doing. Your message will appear in the activity stream, where people can view and respond to it. Messages shared with a group also appear in the group's activity stream and group discussions. Use the Saba at Work self-service group for asking your feature-related questions, sharing your ideas for enhancement, departing your tips and tricks you've learned, reporting issues you have encountered, and sharing your best practices. If you have an idea, share it with an appropriate group or the entire community. Workspaces and pages are another fantastic way for ongoing group collaboration and communication. Create a workspace and assign the group as the workspace owner to allow all group members to create and manage pages. You can always share the workspace with other groups and colleagues. Workspaces and pages can be also used for company communication. Workspaces support 3 levels of nesting for creating intranet portals where functional teams can contribute and maintain content they want to share with the company. As a best practice, assign ownership to groups instead of individuals, so you do not have to update ownership when people move around in the company. Face-to-face communication is more productive than exchanging emails, so use Saba Meeting to meet now or schedule a meeting for a future time. During a meeting, you can share a resource or the entire desktop, use the whiteboard, or start a video conference. Meet Now is an ongoing virtual room that is reserved for the group. Join the meeting at any time by clicking the button in the group homepage. When the first group member clicks Meet Now, a new session is initiated. When other group members join, they are placed in the same virtual room. When you wish to record a session, be sure to use a scheduled meeting. Meet Now recordings are not incremental, and the previous recording is replaced by a newer one. And finally, blogs are a great way to communicate progress, your thoughts and findings, and status updates. Remember that the fewer emails you send, the fewer incoming messages you get. Every time you start composing an email, consider how you can do it effectively in Saba People Cloud. By replacing emails with social communication, you will increase engagement and drive your PQ score. Visit the Information Center to explore more videos, FAQs, and quick reference cards.